Alright, welcome to the vlog. Nothing much going on today. It's a little cold out, a little chilly. Yikes, there's a Amazon truck. God damn, why is my thing a little sensitive today? Anyways. God fucking damn, it's cold out. I should have worn a jacket. Oh well. God damn, what the fuck? Y'all saw that, right? I don't know if y'all saw my... Oh, you can't see my fucking foot. That's why I need a 360 camera, low-key. But they're expensive. Dude, I'm like letting off the fucking gas and it's not doing it. That's a little scaring me. I think I might have to fucking replace my throttle cable. They did it there, so I don't fucking know. But, yeah. Is this even recording? Yeah, it is. Sorry, guys. I can just really see shit right now. But, yeah, I'm trying to vlog right now. I'm trying to ride. So, yeah. God fucking damn, it's hard to see if that's recording in the sun right now. But, yeah. It's a great day to ride, you know. But I think about hanging out Christmas lights today. Is the plan. Yeah, that's the plan. But yeah. I got scared. I thought my thing wasn't tied. But yeah, we're just chilling today. It's still recording. I'm gonna like leave it like this, probably my visor will open. Actually, I don't know if that's gonna have a lot of wind. I'll close it again, actually. But yeah, last night I went on a big rant on my private story that like my mental health about like don't settle, pretty much, and like be who you want to be. And I already went on like a big rant about this the other day and everything. But I feel like you can always talk about it, you know? Because like there's no reason not to fucking talk about it. There's always like, holy fucking shit, it's cold. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon because my thing's off by an hour. But yeah, if you want to be with someone, be with someone. Don't let your friends push you away from someone, you know? Like, if someone's making fun, if your friend's making fun of their looks or something like that, if you find them attractive, like pretty, handsome, whatever the fuck you like think beautiful, then go with them, ask them out, especially if they like you. I knew this girl that wanted me and I wasn't like emotionally ready, but I was like emotionally ready, you know? I mean, I definitely wasn't ready now I think about it, but like at the time I felt ready, and it got fucked up because my friends, I let my friend pursue me and like persuade me, there we go. And it just pisses me off because she was actually a really good girl. And that's fine. I mean, it's not fine, but like, it actually worked out better for me because I was not ready for a relationship at all. I just got out of a relationship, you know? That and that girl, her and I are still close. She fucking hates she actually loves I have a motorcycle. But like, she fucking hates how I fucking like fly on it. Like, she'd much rather I don't do that, you know? And her and I are close, but she has a boyfriend now, so it's like, oh well, you know, it's not like she's my girlfriend, but like, it's whatever. I mean, it was on me for messing up, like, yeah, and you can't ever expect anybody to wait for you either. That's the other thing. You gotta like understand, like, people are not gonna wait for you always. So sometimes you gotta move on. Like in the show I'm watching, Grey's Anatomy, I'm pretty sure Callie moves on. I don't want to spoil it. There's might be spoilers in the next couple minutes. But like, she moves on and Arizona comes back from Africa and like thinking it's all normal. No, you broke up with her and she left, she moved on. Like, what are you talking about? But anyways, yeah, that's kind of like my situation. Like, kind of expected her to wait, kind of, which was not right. I mean, I never told her to wait, but like, I expected in my mind that she would, like, based on what she said. But like, you can never actually expect anybody to wait, because if they find someone that's right for them at the time, they're gonna go date with them, you know? But yeah, god damn, it is cold. Colder than the witch's titty. But yeah. But yeah, trying to like drive on some scenic routes today. Hopefully, there's like none. There's like none nearby. And I would record tonight, but I'm not writing this tonight because if I'm freezing now, I'm gonna freeze tonight. Like, it's just facts. Okay, there's something wrong with my bike. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm just used to it being a certain way. I don't know. But anyways, no, fucking hell, jeez. Why is she calling me? Yo, I'm on a bike! She hanged up. She understood. But yeah. Oh my god, it's actually cold. She probably looked at Life 360. She's like, why are you going so fast? Anyways, holy shit. But no, I mean, like, I have two beliefs. I believe sometimes you should just date to date and like casually do it, because some people that works out perfectly for them, and other people it don't work at all, you know. So it just depends. Like, yeah, I don't know like what they really say, but I know that you'll all eventually find your right person for you. I also strongly believe that dating to marry, like marriage, that's what I always wanted to do. Yes, when I was a little younger, in middle school, I was like, oh, I'm gonna just like get with this girl and everything like that. Yeah, that was not any logic. I mean, middle school, it makes sense because you're not gonna marry your middle school girlfriend, you know? But, hold up. I gotta fix my glasses. There we go, they're more straight now. Hopefully that wasn't too loud for y'all. But no, like, I wanted to like date to marry and everything, but like in middle school it didn't make sense. Then when I came my first girlfriend in like 8th grade, I was like, oh, I'm gonna marry this girl. No. No. Long story short, I started losing feelings for her, and I was like, it was maybe because I had thought that this guy liked each other. She might not like cheated, but like emotionally cheated, and that's all that really matters to me. Is like, if you show any interest in any other person, you're gone, you're out of my life. Simple as that. And I just saw it and I was like, oh, you're gone. And then they started dating. So I'm not trying to say she cheated, but like in my mind she kind of cheated on a certain level, because emotionally cheating is cheating. Doing anything physical with another person's cheating, you know. And it's just, yeah, tiring. And I'm freezing, so I'm gonna do this. I'm kidding. I'm not some fucking freak. But yeah, actually, I want to turn down this road right here, because I know this road leads to. This road's actually quite fun at night, I will admit. Oh no. There we go. I say myself I'm stalling out. I dropped in third. At least I think it was this road. I don't think it's this road, guys. I have no idea where I'm at right now. Hold up. Is this even still recording? Alright, it's still recording. Let's go. Sorry guys, I'm saying that because my camera keeps like turning off for random reasons, and that's why I want a new camera, but I don't want to buy a new camera, you know, because that's like a lot of money, and I'd rather have other stuff for Christmas than that. I'm not gonna let my parents just buy that, you know. I really don't know where the fuck I am. It's nice though, but no, like genuinely, like don't expect anybody to wait on you. And just have fun. Like, do what you want to do. Don't listen to anybody else. God fucking damn, I'm actually cold. I'm sorry guys. I will wear warmer gear next time. This is not even gear. I'm wearing jeans. Jeans actually keep me warm, besides at the ankles. I'm really confused where the fuck I am. Destination.